Hello, New School B-182 here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys. And also I'm going to be showing you my manga I got in. So yeah. Okay, so yeah. Let's go. I'll be doing a test battle with this too. And you'll be seeing this today. When I'm recording this because I'm going to work today. So. Okay. Come on. Okay. It's the new Karatoma Stadium, so yeah. Let's get this one. It's the clear version. I actually wanted the clear version. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Oh, that surface area, yes. You've seen this semi, this will be the new stadium I'll be using for this. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we'll be doing a battle between these two. Where are they? So, dynamite battle. This is actually my first. Ooh, wow! I actually like how big this is. Okay. Got it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So yeah, where did that go? After this. So test battle. Best of 3 versus 2 for this test battle. I might get the launchers, the LR launchers. So yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah. Hope you guys like this unboxing video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.